Hi guys, Greg from Complete Game Physical Therapy here. Today and for the next few videos, we want to talk a little bit about back pain. Back pain affects 90% of the American population, everybody from the elderly to the young, from the very active population to the more sedentary population. So it's something that's very common. It's something we see a lot in the physical therapy clinic here. So we wanted to talk a little bit about a few different aspects of back pain. Before we get started, I want to make sure if you are having back pain and you're having any symptoms like pain down both your legs, weakness in the legs, anything severe like that, make sure you contact your doctor first before you try any of the stuff that we talk about. That could be something a little more serious that needs to be addressed to the doctor. If you're just kind of having general low back soreness, these next exercises are right on for you. Before we get started, I want to talk a little bit about posture, because posture plays a huge role in back pain. And the three different postures that you see in the low back. I'm just going to demonstrate here. The first one is a lordotic posture, a lordosis, an increased curve in that lower back. We see this a lot with our athletes, where they have maybe some tight muscles in the legs, or they've been kind of conditioned into that athletic posture where they have that increased curve. That's a lordotic posture. More kyphotic posture or rounded posture is the kind of one we see with people who sit a lot of the day. That rounded low back where it kind of rounds through here. You don't see that big curve, you see more of a rounding. And then the last one is a neutral posture. And this is what we're kind of aiming for. We want to be right in the middle. We don't want to be too arched. We don't want to be too rounded. We want to be right in that middle. And that's what we call a neutral posture. So those are the three different kinds of posture for the low back. We'll be talking a little bit more about these in the next few videos to come. So make sure you tune in next week. We'll see you next week. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Have a good week. Thanks.